Hi guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video I'm going to explain to you how you can refer a friend in Draftkings. So it's really easy and simple. So first things first guys, what you're going to do is on your home screen, okay, once you log in to your Draftkings, portal, using maybe if you're using Sportsbook, Fantasy Sports, Casino, whatever you're using, you're going to log in to that account first. And then guys, what you're going to do, go from, here we're in Sportsbook, go to home, then you're gonna go to refer a friend. And here guys, if you copy this, you'll be copying your personal link, and you can share this on like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, email, WhatsApp, anywhere you want to share it. Okay, so what you need to do is you can share your link through these options, and when your friends sign up using your referral link, and if they qualify, then you will get rewarded for that. Okay, they qualify, for example, if they're a new DraftKings customer, they've never deposited funds into a DraftKings account before, or they successfully verify their identity with DraftKings through the identity verification process, and of course meeting the minimum deposit requirement. So I hope this video helps you out guys, and if it does, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.